what what does it look like, in a classroom that student comes, to that first day? They, maybe their parents saw this podcast, maybe, they heard about the program from a family friend who needs an employee, but they signed up and they showed up and they don't know what they're expecting. How's that first week of class like?
So the very first day I will have the students on the machines. I make sure they sign their, what is it? It's a form to make sure they can't sue us. It's escaping me right now. But anyway, so with COVID, it was kind of course, it's bad, but it kind of actually it channeled this new way we teach because we were on ground the whole time, but we were doing this hybrid format. So a lot of what we do, it starts on the computer. It starts with a 3D model. It starts with creating all the tool paths on the computer. We use Fusion 360. And then, so I do all those assignments and they have the entire week to work on it. So they only have to come to lab 1 day a week, which works really well for a lot of our students who have full-time jobs. And so when they get to lab, they're there to set up the machines and run their parts based off of their programs with my instructions. And the first week I wrists gosh, I cannot think of why is this whatever. So they come in, I go over the spiel, I go over our documents, like the important stuff, how my structure is laid out, how to navigate my online information. So when you sign up for Sierra College, you now have a Canvas account, and that's kind of like our cloud storage where our class is and where I store all my information. And I explain to students how to do that. And then in class, I get them on that machine. We start pulling the vices off the tables. We show them how to prep a table to load a vice. And so from day one through the rest of the semester, I lay it out where if that student is staying on task, they can be on a machine every single class.